And so it begins. Off you go. Just get the worst of the dirt off. Somebody sprayed some paint on it by the look of it. See that? So that mess. Let's have a go. I think we're in luck. That's better. Okay. Voila. So back from the shop, Tim's done a sterling job of recaning it. Lovely. Look at that. The framework is clean, but it now needs a final sort of finish on it. There's no evidence of woodworm or anything else horrible, so I think I'll just put some wax on it. So off we go. Standard, ordinary clear wax. A bit warm today, so it's melting quite nicely. Applying it with some 4/0 wire wool, not rubbing too hard. Work it into the grain and repeat. And then when the wax has gone off, using a shoe brush, soft one, start to buff the finish. So we finish with the brush. Final stage is to do the polish with a nice soft cloth. Remove the last of the spirit from the polish, and I think it's doing quite nicely. So there it is, finished. New cane top, shiny.